What's up, everybody? This is Investing Sensei here to bring you episode 80 of the Webull Option Adventures, where our goal is to sell options and collect that premium. So in this episode, I'm going to show you guys what I did for this past week. So as you'll see, the portfolio is at $28,886.94. Our profit and loss is actually at 39.11%. And then that's a positive of $167. If we look at our cash balance, we are at $29,146.94, and then our options buying power is at $13,496.94. So it's gone quite a bit down, and that is because we did put in some other trades that I'm going to show you. But you'll see our current positions here, guys. You'll see that the first one that we do have is actually one cash secured put on SCHD with a strike price of $70. It's actually going to expire the 19th of August of 2022. You'll see that we collected a premium of 60 cents or $60. It's actually worth about 58 cents or $58. So we could close this at a profit for $2, but I'm gonna wait and see what happens. I wouldn't mind getting assigned SCHD 100 shares of those, because then we could start selling covered calls. But the next one that we do have here, guys, is actually one cash secured put on Altria for a strike price of $41.50. You'll see that it is gonna expire, or I guess it expired yesterday on the 22nd of July of 2022. We collected 12 cents or $12. This one actually expired worthless because Altria closed above $41.50. So this was definitely a weekly cash secured put we entered this week. Quick profits that we made, so that one was pretty good. The last one we do have here, guys, is one cash secured put on Altria for a strike price of $45. It's actually going to expire next week on the 29th of 2022. This one's actually worth about $355, and it's actually worth a lot less because the price of the stock has actually started moving upwards. We are still in the money for this cash secured put, so if Altria is not above $45 by this coming Friday, we will get assigned 100 shares at a strike price of $45. So we might actually just get assigned, and that way we can meet the ex-dividend date for August, and then we will get also the dividend. We'll start selling covered calls, but we will see what happens, guys, on this one. But these are the current positions I do have open. Quite a bit. I think where you'll see most of the things that we did do this week is mostly through the Google Sheets as well. I can show you the history here. You'll see that we actually did sell a SCHD cash secured put, and that was the first one we did. We also sold the Altria one, and then we actually bought back the SCHD, and then we actually entered another one with a lower strike price. But we'll show you in the Google Sheets once we jump over to that. It's going to be a lot clearer. I'll show you how much we made in total profits. So, let's go ahead and jump over to that. But before we do, be sure that you're subscribed with that bell notification if you have not done so already, and drop a big thumbs up on the video to help out the channel. I would definitely appreciate it. But let's go ahead and jump over to the Google Sheets so I can show you guys how much we made for the total week with selling options. Alright, guys, so I'm with the Google Sheets in the dashboard. You'll see that if I start, I have the start date and end date here. One thing I do want to point out, I did get some great feedback on improving this Google Sheets about how I could improve it, especially with the credits and debits. So I'm gonna try to see if I can do that this coming week, but I think there were some great ideas, so definitely look forward to that. And I really appreciate all the feedback I've been getting. I think we can make this spreadsheet a lot better and nicer. But if we look at the start date, we got over here the 18th, and then if we look at the 22nd, you'll see that we made a total of $89.74. This is actually all we got in credits $175, after fees $174.79, and then debits $85. So that's how much we paid to exit some positions, about $85.05 after fees. Nothing in gains, and then nothing invested. But yeah, if we look at the graphs here, guys, you'll see that for July of 2022, we are at $201.59, definitely surpassing the past 2 months so far. But we are on track. We still have one more week to see how far we can get. And then if we look at the monthly performance, we're at 0.72%, so we're right around the 1% mark that we're getting close to. I think next week, with a couple more positions we do enter, we might achieve our goal. So definitely looking forward to it, very excited for it. If we look at the weekly performance, you'll see that for this week it's at $89.74, which brings our total to $29,146.55. If we look over here to the right, you'll see total we've collected has been $985.58. Total return about 3.50%. And then if you were to account for taxes, that's what you would do there. If we look at the credits, you'll see that currently we still have that cash secured put on Altria that's gonna expire actually next week. We had this one that we actually rolled it from the 8th of July with a strike price of $45, and you know, it's already worth $355. If we look at the next one we did, this was the SCHD that we actually entered on the 18th of July. We held it for about 3 days. We closed it on the 21st. We bought it back actually, but it was a strike price of $71 with the cash secured put. We collected about $103 and we bought it back. We made some pretty good money on that one. And then if we look at Altria, we actually did an Altria cash secured put on the 20th of July, and then it was a strike price of $41.50 with a premium of $12. And then it actually expired worthless, so we held it for about 2 days, and that was a pretty great trade there. The last one we did do was an SCHD cash secured put with a strike price of $70. We entered this one on the 22nd, so this was on that Friday, and we collected 60 cents or $60 in total, about $59 after fees. And this one's still open, so we will see what happens with this one. This one will be very exciting. If we look at the debits, guys, you'll see that the only thing we did was buy back the SCHD. We paid about $85. We made the difference there. And then if we look at gains, there was actually nothing in gains. And then if we look at current buys, there's actually nothing in current buys. But yeah, guys, this is actually all I have for this week. We made some pretty good money. Hopefully next week we can make some more money, but it'll be definitely a very volatile market with earnings, Big Fang reporting next week, so definitely looking forward to it. But again, be sure that you're subscribed with that notification if you have not done so, and drop a big thumbs up to the video to help out the channel. I will be adding those recommended suggestions to the Google Sheets, so definitely trying to see if I can do it next week, and we will see if that helps improve the way we can track our profits. But I will catch you guys next video. Take care, stay safe out there. Bye, guys.